Tripod TV. It is a celebration of culture, tradition, and heroism. Lisabi Festival, a cultural heritage event celebrated every year by the Egba people of Ogun State in honor of the legendary Lisabi, a hero of the Egba liberation struggle. The President, Chief Shogunle, executives, and entire members of Olumo United Elite Ilorin felicitate His Royal Majesty Oba Dr. Adedotun Aremu Gbadebo CON Okukenu IV Alake and paramount ruler of Egbaland, as well as sons and daughters of Egbaland, home and abroad, on the 36th edition of the Lisabi Festival, holding from 13th to 19th February 2023. Congratulations from all of us at Olumo United Elite Ilorin. Lisabi Agbewao. Announcers: the President, EXCO members, past presidents and vice presidents, General Secretary and past EXCOs, all members of the Olumo United Elites, as well as Lisabi Committee Chairman and all members of the Olumo United Elites Ilorin. Tripod TV.